a featherweight collision between Cub Swanson and Bad News. Our Tale of the Tape is brought to you by Edge Shave Gel. Get your edge.
Are you ready to fight?
Bad News. Cub Swanson. And here we go. Joe, how do you approach this fight if you're Bad News?
I think he could have a lot of success down here at 145 pounds. He's going to bring a lot of power and size to the table.
Oh, my goodness.
Well, that one staggered him, but he got rocked. But, man, he snapped back quick.
Again teeing off. Oh, nice left and a right. He can't take many more of these, Joe.
Oh, nice counter left hook right there.
Oh! And again!
He loves throwing that punch.
Duck cover and the uppercut scores.
Excellent combination.
And again.
Big one. The cut on Swanson has really opened up now, Mike. Left hook, he's down. Oh!
This fight is close to being over.
Oh, he recovers.
Wow, that right hand.
He's looking to isolate an arm here, looking for the Kimura. It doesn't look like he's got it. It looks a little loose here.
He got it.
And he escapes. He lets him up. He ate that one. Oh, he got tagged with a hook.
Huge left and right.
Those are snapping his head back, Mike.
Oh, ducking in and counters that nicely. Oh, but he ate him left hand.
Oh, big right hand. He's down.
Boom.
Oh, he
I don't know how he's
keep
lasting.
taking these. Oh, but he recovers.
Travis got the mount. This is not good. Oh!
He's out.
That's it. It's all over. Now that is what you call ground and pound. Scored as a knockout. Bad News with the spectacular finish.
Let's see that again, Mike. As soon as the opening's there, boom, he drops the hammer and turns the lights out. Let's see it one more time. He just nails him with that.
That's a highlight reel knockout right there, Joe. Great angle here. The veteran voice of the Octagon, Bruce Buffer, has the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Dean has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 21 seconds of the very first round.